Hello, dear viewers. There are several ways to scale your drawing in Autocad. In this video, I will show you at least two ways to scale your drawing in Autocad. That is, you can scale using a scale factor, and you can also scale using the exact value of length. If you know that, for example, if you know that this rectangle is, for example, having a length of 10 maybe 10 feet, you can easily scale this drawing, or you can scale it using a scale factor. So let's start with scale factor. To scale this rectangle using scale factor, just select, then go to scale, then you select the base point. Maybe let's say a scale factor of 0.01. Now you can see we have been able to scale this drawing. So this drawing now has a length of that is 764 inches because my units are in inches. Right? Let's say this rectangle has a length of 1000 inches. Now we want to scale using the length. So I will just need to select again, click, you can see this at home page, scale, then here's my object. So let me first escape, select everything, click scale. Now I will specify my base point. Then you can see you can either specify the scale factor or copy or reference. So we need to use reference. Now I want to use this length as my reference. Okay. Now the exact length should be 1000 inches. Now you can see we have been able to scale this rectangle using a length or a reference. So these are the two ways you can scale your drawing in Autocad. I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel.